Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today's lesson is Has the cat got your tongue? Has the cat got your tongue? Or, shorter than that, and without this part, we just say Cat got your tongue? With the question tone, okay? So, what is that? Cat got your tongue? And that's a question, cat got your tongue? And that is used when it's mainly an adult saying to a child. Okay, an adult talking to a child says, "Cat got your tongue," and that is mainly when the child is very quiet, either because the child is shy, because child doesn't know the adult, or is very quiet, or the child has done something wrong and is not saying anything and is now quiet, okay, has chosen to be silent. In these cases, we ask them why they don't say anything. But the child is shy, doesn't speak, and we tell them, "Cat got your tongue," means you do not have a tongue and you can't speak. Is that the problem? Or they have done something wrong, and because of that, they have chosen not to speak, and they are now very quiet, very shy, and we again might use this expression and tell them if this has happened to them, if the cat has got their tongue away, and that's why they can't speak. Or when we give something to someone, or someone gives our child, let's say, something, and the child forgets to thank the person, and we say, "Cat got your tongue," means, can't you say that? What do you say in this case? In these cases, we mainly use this. But we cannot really use this for adults, because adults do not believe in cats taking their tongue away and these kind of things. Okay, so yeah, this is mainly where it is used. Alright, let's look at the examples, and everything is in there. It's really clear what it means. "I found my lost wallet in your wardrobe. What was it doing there?" What's the matter? Cat got your tongue? Yeah, the person continues, gives a bit of information and another a bit more and a couple of questions, and the other person is quiet. How do we know that? Because the person continues, asks, "Cat got your tongue" means, why are you silent? Why don't you say anything? Why don't you reply? Okay, because if the person hasn't done that, they will definitely say. But when they are quiet, that something fishy. That's another expression, something fishy. Or they can smell a rat. That's another one. It means something is, you know, something is likely to be wrong. Okay, so that's why we say, "Cat got your tongue." Is what's wrong there? Okay, what's the matter? That's why the person uses all these things. It is clear for us that the person has done it, and now we say, "Why have you done that?" In a different way, actually. Okay, let's look at this one. "Who has broken the window?" What's wrong with you? Why don't you say anything? Cat got your tongue? Cat got your tongue? Yeah, it is. Has the cat got your tongue? The full form of the question, but this is a very informal way of saying that, so we just start from the middle. Actually, this is an affirmative sentence, but it's alright. You can have the question tone and add this question mark over here, and that's fine. Okay, so spoken English, this is really okay. It's not a big problem. It's not an IELTS exam. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Something has happened and the kid or whoever that we were talking to has kept quiet, so we just say, "Why don't you say anything? Why don't you reply? Why?" And we are actually telling them that you have done the bad thing. Okay, cat got your tongue? Is that the reason you do not say anything? So this was the expression, the thing that we use. I like the expression, especially because it is used with children. So I hope you also have enjoyed this if you didn't know this. And If there are any comments, if there are any questions, please let me know by commenting it below this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.